Hi children, good morning to you all. Welcome to the another session of your social class. This is 10th video. As every time I am giving you some GK questions. This time also I am going to give you 2 more GK questions. Children, please note it down. The 19th question is, note it down, already 18 questions we have completed. This is the 19th question. Which animal blood is blue in color? Children, please note it down, this question. Which animal blood is blue in color? The another question is, which is the most poisonous? Do you think I am writing snake? No, it is fish. Which is the most poisonous fish? Okay, note down these 2 questions, children, and answer these questions and keep with you. Right? Now, I hope you all noted down. I am erasing. Now, in the previous video, we have learned many things about forest. What is a forest? Forest is a large area of land covered with naturally grown trees and plants. And it is full of big and small wild animals. And regarding this, you have learned. And these forests also grow according to the climate and the soil of the particular place. That is the definition of the forest you have learned. Now in the next video, another video I have learned what are the importance of the forest also you have learned. For the detailed explanation, you have to see the previous videos, children. Now in the previous video, means in the 9th video, you have learned what are the types of the forest in our India. As I have told you that 19% of India in area of India covered with forest only. We have so many types of forests are there. Here some of the types of forest we have given. What are those forests, children? There are 5 types of forest in India. These are evergreen forest, deciduous forest, and thorny forest, and coniferous forest, and the tidal forest. Regarding this, these are the 5 forests in India, main forest. In this, we have explained already in the previous video evergreen forest. What are these evergreen forests? In the name only it is there that evergreen. These trees remain throughout the year green in color because they do not shed their leaves at the same time. And what else? It forms a broad canopy on the top. And here the important trees we can find in this evergreen forest are ebony, mahogany, rosewood. These trees we can find. These forests you can find where the slope of Western Ghats and Northeastern states. Okay. Now the another one is deciduous forest. These deciduous forests you see, this is also called the monsoon forest. Deciduous forest is also called monsoon forest. And this forest, in this forest, the trees shed their leaves in the dry season. About 6 to 8 weeks, these trees shed their leaves. And you see, children, in India, most of the forests are deciduous forest only. in India, the most of the forests are deciduous forests only, and you can see here, and here we can, the trees grown here in this deciduous forests are teak, sal, shisham and sandalwood, and these trees are very hard and very much valuable, and these trees we can find the foothills of the Himalayan mountains and northeastern states. For the detailed explanation, you have to see video 9. Right, children? Now come to the another one. What is that? Thorny forest. Thorny forest. Thorns. Thorns means, do you know what are the thorns? Thorn means mullu, you know, thorn. The third one is thorny forest. Thorny forest. This thorny forest have, children, the trees of the thorny forest have long roots. What do they have? Long roots, thick bark, What do they have? They have long roots, thick bark and sharp thorns. And small leaves. In the thorny forest, the trees have long roots, thick bark, sharp thorns and small leaves. Students, these trees can live without water for a long time. Without water, they can live. This is the first point. The second point is, without water also they can live for a long time. Without water, they live in a long time. We found these trees in Rajasthan. This is the second point. Rajasthan. We can find these trees in the Rajasthan and in the parts of Haryana, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Okay. Listen, children. These trees can live without water for a long time. Where do we find this forest? We can find these forests in Rajasthan and in some parts of Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Okay. Now the trees grown here. What are the trees? And common trees. Common trees in the forest are, in this forest commonly what type of trees are growing? That are babul, palm, cactus and keekat. These type of babul tree and palm trees are used for oil. Palm oil you always use for the edible oil. We use in cooking palm oil. And cactus you know already, the thorny plants. And the keekat trees and gum, from the keekat trees we can get the gum and all. And in the many places, at many places, bushes will be there more than trees. More bushes you can find. not like very very tall trees and broad trees, not like that. The forest is like a bushy area more than trees, bushes than trees. Children, one more time I wanted to explain this one. Thorny forest. What is thorny forest? Thorn you know, no, mullu. Your thorny forest, it has long roots and thick bark, sharp thorns and small leaves. And these trees can live without water for a long time. And these trees you can bear. These trees you can find in the Rajasthan, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. And children, babul tree, palm tree, cactus and kikar, these trees we can find in this forest. And here at the most of the places bushes will be there than trees in the forest. The next one is coniferous forest. The next forest is coniferous. Coni, C-O-N-I-F-E-R-O-U-S. Coniferous forest. In the name itself, the answer you can find cone. Cone means cone shape, like that. Cone shaped forest. Okay. So these coniferous forests, where do you find? These are found in higher Himalayan mountains. Where do you find this coniferous forest? Higher Himalayan mountains. Higher Himalayan mountains. And in the parts of Nilagiri Hills. The part of Nilagiri Hills. Where are the Nilagiri Hills located? Nilagiri Hills. Children, listen. These coniferous forests are you find in the higher Himalayan mountains. Already you have learned that deciduous forest you can find in the foothills of the Himalayan forest, very next to the Himalayan mountains. But these coniferous forests you can find these higher Himalayan mountains. That means almost on the Himalayan mountains. What will be there in the Himalayan mountains? The Himalayan mountains are always covered with the snow. You know that. And Nilagiri Hills. Where do you find this Nilagiri Hills? Where? In the Western Ghats. Nilagiri Hills are located in the Western Ghats. And in this coniferous forest, coniferous trees are tall and pointed. Tall and pointed. Tall and pointed, like needle-shaped leaves. It will be having needle-shaped leaves. Needle-shaped leaves. And these trees bear cones. These trees bear cones. See, in the coniferous forest, the trees are tall and pointed, like you see here, like this. Pointed. Trees like this will be there. Okay. So, it will be tall and pointed. And the leaves also needle-shaped leaves. Needle you know, Sudhi. Like needle-shaped leaves will be there. And these trees bear cones. These trees bear cones means what? See here, these trees are, where are these trees? These trees are lying on the higher Himalayan mountains. There always, what will be there? Snow. So, if the leaf blade is open, what will happen? how the trees breathe, the trees breathe, I mean through the leaves. Under the leaf, what will be there? Stomata, right? When this leaf covered with completely frost, means frost, if the leaf is frost with the snow, how it will breathe? It cannot breathe, because this side, upper side and down side also it will be frost. Then the tree automatically, without getting oxygen, because all the stomata is closed, that is why the tree cannot get the oxygen. Then what will happen? The tree automatically will die. So for avoiding that, these trees have the shape like closed. The leaf also closed, flowers also closed, and completely this is the cone shape it will be. Now if the tree is in a cone shape, like cone shape, what will happen? If the snow falls also, the snow falls down. Like that only, on the leaf the snow falls also. It is already conical shape and pointed shape. The snow falls and it will go down. So that the oxygen, the tree gets the sufficient oxygen to grow. That is why these trees bear cones. In this coniferous forest, the most important and valuable trees we find is chir. What are these? Chir, Devadar. This is very valuable wood, children. Devadar means it is very costly, expensive. Devadar wood. And fir and spruce. Fir and spruce. These trees you can find in the coniferous forest. And not only these trees yield resin and the turpentine. What do they? Still more, what do they have? Resin. Resin and what do they have? Resin and turpentine. Turpentine. What is this resin? Resin means it is a type of gum. It is a type of gum and it is used for making craft works. See, if you see the paperweights and all, they use in resin only they use for making paperweights, and in the middle also keeping the designs and all we can make with the paper resin. It is a type of a gum. And this turpentine means when the paintings, any liquid of gum, any liquids, I mean paintings, everything will be there. No, if they become thick, if you pour little bit turpentine, it becomes loose. For making thin, the thick things, the turpentine uses. Now children, did you understand what are the coniferous forests? These are found in the higher Himalayan mountains and parts of the Nilgiri Hills, Western Ghats. And these trees are tall and pointed and have needle-shaped leaves. Right? Now they bear cones. They bear cones because they are conical shape, because for not frosting the snow. And they have chir and devadar, the very expensive wood, and fir and the spruce. And not only these forests yield resin and the turpentine also. Understand children? Now I hope you all understand all the four forests, and in the next video I will teach you about the tidal forest. Till that, bye bye.